Hi, I'm Jamie Collin, the Research and Learning Business Development Manager here at Copters Academy, and we are launching a brand new product to give you all the skills that you need to win and deliver business with your drone. So introducing the brand new Mini-MDAs, and these are Master in Drone applications. So this is a 12-week project full of courses such as A2 CFC, GVC to get you signed off legally, then moving into CPD, moving into project management, practical flight training in that 12-week period. We've tailored 4 different courses in the main sectors of the industry. So you've got your surveying, inspection, public safety, and drone service provider. So you'll graduate with all the confidence and the knowledge to get you into the industry to get those wins. So you can crack on straight away, no matter the complexity of the job, the location, or the size of the business that you're wanting to work with. We're the only training provider that's qualified to run these courses in the world. So let's jump into the details. Surveyors use drones slightly differently to the rest of the industry. So you need to know how to capture that data, how to relay that, and understand the information that you're looking to capture. So the 12-week Mini-MDA is all about the above. It includes all the courses that you need, such as the A2, the GVC to get you signed off legally, but then we're gonna go into type-specific courses for the drones you need to be aiming to be using in this industry. The Phantom 4 RTK, the M300, and also potentially the Wing Tray for some fixed wing flights. So we're gonna be training you in the hardware, the software, such as Pix4D, and then the commercial surveying side as well. So you understand the terminology, so you can again relay that back to your customers and clients. We'll then also look at things like project management, leadership coaching, and more business development for you personally. To keep your assets running at optimum performance, they need to be inspected regularly. Drones and inspection can reduce risk, save time, and also save money. But when you're using drones, you need to know exactly how to use them. So the 12-week inspection course, the Mini-MDA, is all about the above. We're going to be touching on the hardware, so the Mavic 2 Enterprise Advanced, the M300, and the Helios 2 for internal inspection. We're also going to be looking at the software with Pix4D, how to use the drones in the industry with courses such as surveying, and then also the thermography course, so you can analyze that data and understand what you're looking at when you're on the job. For public safety organizations, time is everything. By using drones, police, fire, and search and rescue organizations can save lives more effectively. In our public safety Mini-MDA, the 12-week course is going to be touching on the likes of the A2 CFC, the GVC course, and then a deeper dive into aerial thermography, Pix4D mapper, and then further qualifications of the OFQUAL Level 5 Chief Pilot's course. By undertaking this course, you'll achieve an unrivaled level of situational awareness, gain an extra asset to gain vital evidence, and have all the tools you'll need to plan and analyze missions. And finally, onto you all-rounders. For the drone service providers wanting to start your own business, the 10-week Mini-MDA in drone service providing is jam-packed full of the A2 CFC and the GVC to start off, so you're signed off legally, and then it has over 400 online courses across project management, people skills, people and culture, customer service and data capture, etc., etc. There's so many courses in this, so you have that personal development to grow you as a business, as a person, outside of what you're doing now. By the end of the program, you'll be confident to launch your own business and start making money. Being your own boss comes with so many benefits, but mainly the flexibility to do what you want and what you love doing.